Let me show you how to set up and connect OpenClaw using Railway and generate a full SEO report all through a Telegram bot. First, on the documentation page of OpenClaw, click Deploy on Railway. We will pass the documentation link in the description. Click Deploy on Railway, then click Configure. This opens the template with everything pre-configured. Set your password, save, and click Deploy. Railway builds and deploys the service. This takes about 2 minutes. Once it is done, the status changes to active. There is a problem with the Railway setup. Railway has set the port to 3000, but OpenClaw requires it to be 8080. Go to Settings and change the public networking port. There are 2 ways to set up OpenClaw. First, open the deployed URL. It will ask for a username and password. Set the username as you like, and for the password, go to Railway Environment Variables. Copy the password you created during deployment and paste it. You will then see the OpenClaw setup page with configuration options for model provider, channels, and advanced settings. The second way is easier, and that is what we will use in this video. Copy the SSH command and go to your terminal. Before running it, install the Railway CLI by running brew install Railway, then paste the SSH command. Once you are inside the app, run OpenClaw onboard. Choose Quick Start mode. In this video, we will use OpenAI Codex. So select OpenAI as the model provider with Codex OAuth authentication. It will give you an authorization URL. Open it in your browser and sign in. This lets you use your ChatGPT account. Sign in with your Google account to authenticate with OpenAI. Since this is a remote server, copy the redirect URL from the browser and paste it back into the terminal. Choose the current model, which is OpenAI Codex GPT 5.4. Select Telegram as the messaging channel. It will ask you to paste your Telegram bot token. Let's create it. Go to Telegram, open bot father, and create a new bot. Give the bot a name and choose a username that ends in bot. Bot father creates the bot and gives you the bot token. Copy it. Paste the token into the setup. Install the ClawHub skill. Skip the rest of the optional configuration and the onboarding is complete. Now go to InsightfulPipe and open the CLI setup guide. Click on the OpenClaw integration tab. The first step is to install the InsightfulPipe CLI in your terminal. Next, create an API key from settings. Give it a name, set the expiration as you want, and click Create Key. Copy the generated key. Now go to Railway and open the Variables tab. Add a new variable with the exact name from the guide, InsightfulPipe_token, and paste your API key as the value. Deploy the changes. Open Telegram and message the bot by sending /new, then send any greeting to it like hi. It gives you a pairing code. To get the approval command, go to the OpenClaw documentation. You will find it in the 3rd section. Copy it, go back to the terminal, and run OpenClaw pairing approve with the code. Now let's install the InsightfulPipe skill. Back in InsightfulPipe, in the OpenClaw Guide tab, you will find the ClawHub link at the bottom. Click it and copy the URL, then go to Telegram and ask the bot to install it. It installs it automatically right in the chat. Start a new session and send the prompt. Ask OpenClaw to pull SEO data from Google Analytics and Google Search Console for the last 30 days and generate a full report with insights and recommendations. OpenClaw pulls the data and delivers the full SEO report right in Telegram. It shows about 2,600 sessions, over 1,500 users, and over 900 clicks from Search Console with about 7% CTR. The report breaks down traffic sources with organic search leading at over 1,000 sessions, lists the top landing pages, and highlights the best performing content with engagement rates. That is OpenClaw with InsightfulPipe CLI. If you want to try more data sources using InsightfulPipe CLI, visit insightfulpipe.com today.